What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off the camera, scan documents and text button in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open camera and then click on this settings icon. Now here you will see a scan documents and text button on the top. So if you want to turn off the camera, scan documents and text button, then turn off this button. And if you want to turn on the camera, scan documents and text button, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off the camera, scan document and text in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.